Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel where I share my backyard experience with you, and it's time to pick the weeds for the rabbits. All right, let's do that. Here we go. I hate to take the whole thing, but why not? That's what we call the carrot root. Now, rabbits love dandelions, in case you didn't know. And I've got a couple of cute bunnies. One is named Thumper, the other Penelope. And this is something like Thanksgiving dinner. Just came early. Look at how absolutely healthy these are too. Why would you buy like lettuce seeds when you could just spread dandelion seeds? And if you have pets like rabbits, they like this more, I think, than like lettuce or something that would taste good to us. All right. Hey, Thumper.